gusto ko lang talawin. Araneta, handa na ba kayong lahat?
Okay, magandang gabi mga kapamilya. September pa lang pero love is definitely in the air. Damang-dama natin ang pag-ibig.
Oo, no? Di ba February?
Yes, damang-dama na natin yan. Kung pwede nga lang, araw-arawin natin ang Valentine's Day. Alam niyo guys, ang sarap kayang ma-in-love. Lalo na kapag ikaw mismo ang sumulat ng love story mo, hindi ba?
Yes, love story na mas magiging makulay kapag nilapatan ng musikang mula sa puso. Kaya naman ngayong gabi, humanda na sa handog naming 15 mga bagong himig ng pag-ibig.
Totoo yan, mga pamilya. Welcome to the Himig Handog Bebop Love Songs 2014, the finals night. And we've already kicked off the celebration with Yang, Karil, Sam, and Eric together with the ABS-CBN Philharmonic Orchestra under the baton of Maestro Gerard Salonga. You know what, folks? Why don't we give them another round of applause? They deserve it.
Joining them as well are this year's Himig Handog finalists with our equally talented interpreters.
And tonight, maririnig niyo muli live ang lahat ng kanta with the ABS-CBN Philharmonic Orchestra, ang 15th newest love song ng bayan. Pero bago yan, ano nga ba ang aabangan nila? Kaya naman, please all watch this!
Higit sa mga salitang pinagsama-sama, ang mga instrumentong pinagsabay-sabay, ang mga pinakapaboritong love songs ng bayan ay siyang nagkukwento sa iba't ibang singaw ng ating puso. Kaya sa pagbabalik ng pinakahiganting selebrasyon ng original Filipino music sa bansa, mas marami pang kwentong pag-ibig ang pupukaw sa damdamin ng bawat Pilipino. This is the Himig Handog Bebop Love Songs! More than 6,000 song entries from 8 countries all over the globe, all vying for a spot in the country's biggest multimedia songwriting competition. At mula rito, the top finalists were chosen by a distinguished circle of ABS-CBN executives and music industry experts. 15 new love songs, composed by established and up-and-coming songwriters. They are the newest batch of OPM vanguards, teamed up with today's most sought-after performers. Sa isang gabi ng musika, pangarap at pag-ibig. And this year, the Himig Handog Bebop Love Songs Best Song will be determined based on the following criteria. 80% of the total score will be based on the audio CD. Melody, 30%. Lyrics, 30%. Musicality, 25%. And overall impact, 15%. 20% of the total score will be based on tonight's live performance. Creativity and artistry, 50%. And overall performance, 50%. Special recognition will also be given to our Himig Handog finalists, including MOR Listener's Choice Award, ABS-CBN.com Favorite Interpreter Award, TFC's Choice Award, Star Cinema's Choice Award, Star Music Buyer's Choice Award, Star Studio Reader's Choice Award, ABS-CBN Mobile Fan Favorite Award, Mixed Choice for Best Music Video. Para sa mga itatanghal na Best Song winners tonight, they will be receiving trophies designed by world-class brass sculptor Michael Cacnio, plus 100,000 pesos 5th Best Song, 150,000 pesos 4th Best Song, 200,000 pesos 3rd Best Song, 500,000 pesos second best song, and 1 million pesos for the grand prize winner. Ito ang himig ng lahing Pilipino, pag-ibig na handog sa buong mundo. This is the Himig Handog Bebop Love Songs.
kapamilya, ito na nga ang gabing pinaka-hinihintay nating lahat. Ang pinakamalaking selebrasyon ng musikang Pinoy ngayong taon. Welcome to the Himig Handog Bebop Love Songs 2014, the finals night. Mga pamilya, ito na nga ang pinaka-hinihintay nating event of the year. Welcome to the Himig Handog Bebop Love Songs 2014, the finals night.
Tama, Robbie. 15 new OPM love songs, 15 different stories of love and relationships, 15 original compositions of the country's most talented composers. Lahat ng yan, matutunghayan natin sa iisang entablado ngayong gabi.
Yes, tama ka dyan, Alex. Sabi nga nila, every love story has a different ending. Merong masaya, merong malungkot, merong successful, at meron din namang nauwi lang sa wala. Pero ang importante dyan, kung ano man ang napagdaanan ng iyong love story, meron kayong natutunan kahit papano. Hindi ba tama?
Tama yan.
Tama. Yes.
Tama yan. Pero Kim, hindi lahat ng love stories sad. Meron din syempre mga meaningful yung ending. Pero ngayong gabi, iisa lang ang ending na aabangan nating lahat. Alin nga ba sa 15 new Himig Handog 2014 P-pop love songs ang kukurot sa ating mga puso at magbibigay ng kahulugan sa ating mga kwento ng pag-ibig?
Well, malalaman natin yan sa tulong ng ilan sa mga pinakakinikilalang pangalan sa musika at telebisyon. Mga kapamilya, here are this year's Himig Handog Bebop Love Songs panel of judges. First up, the brain behind ABS-CBN's most talked about and award-winning campaigns, head of ABS-CBN's Integrated Creative Communications Management, Mr. Robert Labayan.
Respected business maverick and a key figure in the network's convergence, ABS-CBN's head of access, Mr. Carlo Catigba. Certified international singing sensation who made big waves across the globe, a world-class artist and performer, Cherise.
OPM icon who has popularized some of the most anthemic songs of her time, a multi-awarded singer and performer, OPM's pop diva, Miss Kula Despa. Veteran film and television director and the current ABS-CBN production head, Direk Laurenti Jogi.
Celebrated singer and songwriter who has given us timeless love songs and classic OPM hits, the one and only Mr. Ray Valera. An award-winning host and a pioneer of ABS-CBN's most watched programs through the years, ang nag-iisang King of Talk, Mr. Boy Abunda.
Up next, certified hitmaker, award-winning actress, and an OPM icon. We've got the divine diva herself tonight, Ms. Shasha Padilla. And last but not the least, an artist with a voice that has touched the hearts of many. The president of PhilSCAP and the vice president for external affairs of OPM or Organisasyon ng Pilipinong Mga Awit, ang chairman of the board of judges, Mr. Noel Cabamon.
Mga kapamilya, our respected panel of judges for this year's Himig Handog competition. We are also joined tonight by SGV, our official tabulator, AXAT for our computing system, and Samsung for the tablets used by our judges. At ngayon, eto na mga kapamilya,
Yes!
hindi na natin papatagalin pa. Sisimulan na natin alamin ang istorya sa bawat awitin, ang kwento sa likod ng mga kantang ating mapapakinggan ngayong gabi. Ladies and gentlemen, our first set of Himig Handog P-pop Love Songs 2014 finalists.
Well, napaka-light and fun ng song. But ang hindi alam ng maraming tao is, it started with a girl. There's this girl kasi that I kinda liked. One day, she approached me, sabi niya, tulungan ko daw siyang buuin yung song niya. Kasi meron daw siyang lyrics, gusto niya lagyan ng melody. Sasali daw niya sa songwriting contest. Anong songwriting contest yan? Himig Handog, trip niyang sumali doon sa competition. Gumawa ng song. So, I agreed na tulungan siya with her song para hindi mabasag ang trip niya. Pero pinrenzone niya ako. So, friendzone, So I focus din dun sa mga trip ng mga tao. Like for example, sa social media, di ba, merong outfit of the day. Kaya selfie ng selfie, post ng post. Minsan na ako, parang, anong trip nito, di ba? Hindi mo mag-gets. Minsan gusto mo na i-criticize. Pero figured out, let them be, di ba? Basta masesel sa ginagawa nila, basta hindi sila nakakasama ng kapwa. Everyone has the right to fall in love. Because everyone can feel love. Love is talagang ang kalahatan. Go lang ng go, walang basta ganun trip.